our CliniMACS Prodigy platform is a next generation in automated cell processing. And this device offers an integrated solution to streamline the whole cell manufacturing process, the whole manufacturing workflow, from cell separation through cell culture to formulation of the final products. And the benefits are that it is automated. So this ensures a standardized GMP compliant cell product production. It is a closed system, and this reduces the clean room requirements. And it of course also increases the product and operator safety. It is scalable. So and it can be used then in centralized and decentralized manufacturing models, and it's flexible. So we have flexible protocols and software for different cell types. So, for example, for CAR T cells, for iPSCs, for CAR-NK cells, and so on. And you can also do a customized workflow on it. And for the manufacturing of CAR T cells, I would like to highlight two processes. The first one is the CliniMACS Prodigy T cell transduction process, the TCT process. And this enables the T cell selection, the activation of the T cells, and viral transduction, the expansion, and then rebuffering during the harvest. And the second process, this is freshly released, is the T cell the CliniMACS Prodigy T-cell engineering, TCE process, and this enables for complex non-viral engineering with an additional electroporation step.